Alright guys, checking on this unit and come to this door hinge loose. And when you go to tighten it, the screws just spin and spin and spin and spin. Latches but we have a loose hinge. So I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get this tightened up. Okay, first thing we want to do is take these old screws out. Alright, now we got the old screws out, what we're going to do is use a bamboo golf tee. Let's stick it in that hole, hammer it in there a little ways, break it off. Do that to each hole. Okay. Golf tees broke off in each hole. Now we're just going to put our screws back in.